Hello, my name is Sana, and today I'm going to present Social Media Hub. That is the bridge between Orad's application and social networks. Orad has two types of integration with social media. First one allows to collect, filter and distribute user-generated social media content that is coming from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Never Know, spread fast, and actually this part is modular, so it's possible to add additional sources according customer requests. So today I'm going to make my presentation with our control system that calls Maestro. It's actually what you can see here, but actually the same type of integration can be done also with another types of controllers. I would like to start from the retrieving part. Here from the left side we can see different profiles that are connected to different user accounts, and one of them is connected to the Twitter hashtag NAB 2015. I will go to the Twitter and publish additional tweet. So first of all I will just copy the content and I will open Twitter, as you can see here, edit some information and just create the new tweet. In a few moments we will see it like a part of our dataset. Here in Social Media Hub we have a very powerful search tool. So first of all you can create a search according username. Let's see how it works. As you can see, now we have just one relevant message. Of course you can also create the search according to specific word in the message. You can also create the rating from 1 star to 5, and after that with that create some additional pre-filtering, as you can see here. And of course there are some unwanted words that you don't want to use like a part of your graphics, or maybe you would like to create some priority for specific users or words. It is also possible. For that we have rules, and here you can create as many folders as you want with positive and negative values. After that, when you are getting the messages, as you can see, you will see the status of the messages, and it can be desired or maybe unwanted. And of course, you can create the search, let's say, just for the positive values. So in this case, you will not see, let's say, the bad messages like a part of your data set. If you want to use a message, you will just select it and drag it to the aggregation. Aggregation we can see in our right part, and actually this is the list of the message that you are going to use like a part of your graphics later on. Of course here you can change the order of the messages like this, and maybe this one I would like to delete, and after that it's also possible to change the content just by double click. It is opening the opportunity to edit the messages. So here in the right side, after the editing, you will see the indication that the message was edited. And even more, it is possible to create some fake message. For that, you can press Enter button. And as you can see, we have a new message. That's a moderator message, and you can also change the user profile picture that you want to use. I will delete this message, and I will go to Maestro, that is template based, and one of my templates is connected to the SQL file that the Social Media Hub is using. All the information is there. And please take a look here. Now we see our new message on air. And of course, in this case we have some ticker, but actually it can be any type of graphics. It just depends on your designers. So now we saw how easy to take the information from social media and use it like a part of the graphics. But as we told before, we have also additional option. We can publish broadcast content to social media. Let's see how it works. For that I will switch to Maestro again. And here is additional template. When I play it, it will take the content of the image container here and the text and publish it to Facebook and Twitter accounts that actually I defined in Social Media Hub before. I will select another image just for our indication, Las Vegas, the nice one. And now I'm playing the template. We have some graphics here that we selected. And actually, now I will go to the Twitter, and in a few moments we will see our new message that we published. And you know, even more, now I'm showing you Twitter and Facebook, but you can create the clip from the graphics that you are playing and publish it to YouTube. You know, this is just some of the examples that we have here. In Twitter, we can see that we got a new tweet. And when we open it, we can see that this is the information that we selected the maestro before. Exactly the same idea also for the Facebook. I will update the page. Ta-da! And as you can see, our new picture is here as well. And if you remember, we used this hashtag NIB 2015 in our social media hub. So if I go back to the social media hub, we can see that the message that we published is also here. So we created some loop. But this is just one of the opportunities. We can do many more things. Thank you for your time.